Okay, so this one's an import all the way from Japan, which is pretty cool. Still a nice addition to an international iDog collection. Very tricky to find nowadays. Just like the big Japanese Sega iDogs. That some of my favorite YouTubers like Sterling Andrews, KK Clue, and iDog Fan has. The motorized Sega Japanese iDogs. Like the regular happy version and the crossover with Sapporo. This one's a Happy Meal toy from Japan, made in 2011. Touch the face and plays music. Also makes dog-centric noises as well. So yeah, that's how it works. I was lucky to get a hold. And this is kind of rare. So by the way, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.